Hi, this is a demo of dbSurfer. dbSurfer creates forms automatically just from the database definitions. So as we can see here on the left, we have a very simple database. So let's take one of the tables product category. It just has an ID and a name. And on the left here, we can just refresh this list here. And we can see we've got the product category list. So let's try adding one here. So we'll type in the ID. It's not set to be a counter, so we can just type in any number. And we'll put in a name here. And then click confirm. So we can see now we've added that at the end here. And if we look on the database, we can see it's added on the end there too. So that was a very simple table. So let's look at something a little bit more complicated. So now we'll have a look at the product table, which has a lookup to the product category table here. So we'll click on product and we'll make it a bit wider so we can see what we're doing a bit more easily. So we can go in and edit one. So as well as all the standard fields, numbers, text, it does allow you to, let's edit this one here. So we can see we can actually save images. We can replace that if we want. Let's use the dbSurfer logo and it's replaced it. We also copes with date times and dates on their own. Let's try choosing another file here, the screenshot, and we can click update. So we can, if we've got too many headings, we can easily hide them. Let's say we don't want the category ID, say the description, we can just click on the minus there to hide it and click plus to restore it. You're probably thinking, well, that's a very simple database. Mine's a lot more complicated than that, and it probably is. Here we have a more complicated example. This is a database as downloaded sample from Microsoft Worldwide Importers. And as you can see, there's a lot more in it. So let's try the purchase order lines here. Notice it's multi-schema. dbSurfer does cater for multi-schema. Just click on that. Okay, so here we have a far more complicated list here, and we can go in and edit first one. So I can demonstrate the validation here. That's a required field. And as you can see, for example, it's automatically found the lookup tables based on the foreign key. So we can change this to bottle. Change the stock item ID. And let's go and update. Okay, so as we can see, it's updated it to bottle. Let's have a look at the sorting, paging and filtering in dbSurfer's list view. If we go into purchase orders, we can click and then click again to sort in forward and reverse order. We can even sort columns that get their name from a related table, such as delivery method. We've got paging at the bottom here. You've got local page numbers to click on, next, last, previous, and first. Filtering, which you enable by sliding the button at the top there. Let's have a look at, for example, all purchase orders that had delivery by chilled van. We can apply that. There's just the one. So we can clear that. Of course, we can just enter a particular purchase order ID if we want to. Let's try 77. As you can see, this is the Windows version generated as a Maui app. The earlier one, you could see the URL in, that was the web version. Another feature of dbSurfer is you can download your selection as CSV. XML, JSON. It's fully responsive, so you can shrink the screen to a mobile format. You've got the hamburger menu here and everything formatted nicely for a mobile or a tablet. Thanks for looking. Feel free to get in touch at info@dbsurfer.com. We're also on Twitter at dbsurfer and obviously here on YouTube. Please get in touch. Bye.